Northern Lines.
Hey everybody! Welcome to Lots and Lines. We have a story for you, my friends. Where did they go? Where's Giraffe? Where's Ostrich? Where's Owl? Where did... Hello? Can you please come here? What are you doing playing over there? They're playing over there. It's story time. Owl, please bring Giraffe. Please bring Ostrich. Everyone is waiting. It's story time. We'll come back to you very soon.
Gussie the little giraffe was feeling very bright when out on a walk one day he saw a very odd sight. Bending over, head in the ground was a sight as strange could be. Thin long neck, long thin legs and a big bunch of feathers had he. Now Gussie Giraffe was curious, so he walked up to this sight and asked him very nicely if he was feeling alright. "No, I'm not! No, go away!" came back a strong reply. "I am feeling miserable cause I'm a bird and I can't fly." Now he was the largest of birds and a big ostrich was he. And he was feeling sad and angry too was he. More than anything else in the world, he wanted to fly and just be like the other birds that soared into the sky. Now Gussie the little giraffe had a very wise old friend. He was an owl that lived in a tree right around the bend. So off went Gussie down the bend to see if Owl was home, to help and give advice so in the sky ostrich could roam. Now wise old Owl was sleeping and he thought it unfair to be woken up from a sleep so deep so ostrich could fly in the air. But Gussie was his friend, you see, so Owl had to lend a hand. So off he flew with a hoot to the bird with his head in the sand. "Now listen to me," hooted Owl. "Listen carefully. With legs so long and very strong, the ground's your sky, you see. So run and run, run happily. Spread your wings so wide. Ostrich, largest of birds, run with Gussie by your side." Now Ostrich is feeling thrilled, and with Gussie by his side, the two race each other with long gigantic strides. The open ground's their space, and they run wild and free. A giraffe and an ostrich, happy company.
The ostrich and the giraffe? To see them running together? What a sight that must be! Can you imagine that? The ostrich is an interesting bird to learn about. Here are some ostrich info bits in Factophile. Home to the ostrich is Africa. It can be found in the grasslands and savannas with grazing animals like zebras and antelopes. The ostrich has a small head, big eyes, thin long neck, big bushy feathers, and strong long legs and feet. The ostrich has excellent eyesight. Its eyes are bigger than its brain in size. The ostrich cannot fly, but it can run very fast. It is the fastest of all two-legged creatures on land. It uses its wings to balance and to change direction while running. Did you know? The ostrich can cover a distance of about 10 feet in just one stride? That's amazing, yes? Its feet act like springs to propel it forward. The male ostrich has black feathers, while the female has brown. The ostrich feeds on roots, leaves, flowers, insects, lizards, and other small creatures. It's an omnivore. How does the ostrich protect itself from danger? Its first line of defense is to run fast. But if it can't do that, it will attack with its strong legs and feet. Its kick is strong enough to kill a lion. The ostrich will also lie down on the ground with its neck stretched out to hide from danger. This makes the ostrich look like a dusty bush on the sand. What an amazing bird the ostrich is! Do you agree? That was so much fun! Don't forget to subscribe to Notes and Lines. See you soon!